Hey guys, today we are reviewing the LINENSPA mattress bed cover. It's waterproof, bed bug protection, and dust and mite allergen protection. We bought one for each of our beds. We're parents, we have kids. Kids get messy, accidents happen. So we bought these to protect our mattresses. Also, we live in an apartment complex. This is the full size. We also have a king size. Let's put it on our bed and test it out. Hey guys, so as you can tell, I got the mattress cover on. Some water. Here's the waterproof test. Okay, as you see, it's just sitting there. It's not seeping through. Now, we're gonna unzip it. Mattress is dry. No wet spots. No nothing. So it works. It's waterproof. So, and it comes off pretty easily. Puts it back on. I put it on by myself with no help. So yeah. Alright. So that's our review on the LINENSPA mattress cover. If you like this video, like it, subscribe. Alright, thanks guys, have a nice day.